Step into the sunshine, everything is alright. Life has just begun. Step into the sun, drink it in.
Maligayang Karawan RV.
Ayan, happy birthday RB! Ang wish ko is for you to grow at to be a God-fearing na bata, no? And magabayan ka pa ng Diyos. At lumaking may takot sa magulang and may respect sa parents. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Sunshine, everything is alright. Life has just begun. Step into the bright light.
Hi, Arby! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best. Stay good and be an obedient son to your parents. Thank you!
Touch the sand, Kokomo, ride the
Happy birthday, RB!
Happy birthday, RV! Ang wish namin sa'yo, sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata, may galang at may takot sa Diyos. Happy birthday ulit!
sunshine, everything is alright. Life has just begun.
Happy birthday, RB!
Step into
Salubungin natin ang pinakamasayang palakpakan na punong-puno ng pagmamahal ang ating birthday family. Let's give it up for Daddy Van, Mommy Ina, Ate CK at taga-birthday boy, RV!
Happy birthday, RB!
Ligayang Karawan, RB!
Happy birthday, RB! Thank you for the invitation. We wish you grow as a kind and a God-fearing kid. Happy birthday, God bless!
sunshine, everything is alright. Life has just begun.
Happy birthday, baby RV! Wish namin sana lumaki kang mas mabait and mas magalang and mas mapagmahal na anak sa parents mo and sa buong family. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, RB!
Birthday!
Lumaki ka sanang may takot sa Diyos, saka pagmamahal sa mga magulang, and kay ate. Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, RB! Wish ko sa'yo na sana maging mabuti kang anak lalo sa mga parents mo at saka mabuti kang kapatid kay Ate CK. Yun.
Yes, yan RB. Happy birthday! And sana lagi kang makikinig kay mommy and kay daddy, and of course, maging mabuting kapatid ka kay Ate CK. And of course, may takot ka kay Jesus. Thank you, Dave. RB, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
We could do this all night. We could do this all night. Yeah, everything's alright. We got the keys to open paradise. Yeah, paradise it feels like. We could do this all night.
Happy birthday, RB! Una sa lahat, pinapasalamatan namin ang Panginoong Diyos na nagkaroon kami ng anak na lalaki at ikaw yon, RB. At salamat din na nakumpleto mo ang ating pamilya. Wish ko sa'yo ay ikaw ay lumaking masunurin, mabait, matalino, may takot sa Diyos, at higit sa lahat may malusog na pangangatawan. Happy birthday, anak!
Wish ko sa'yo, ayun. Thank you.
Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak!